My wonderful people, I salute you all. I greet you and I welcome you once again. Don Mayor, well done. Daniel Onyeke, Prince Igwe, I greet you. The Sharon, Alagoa, ha. With na Kogi, Abibenu or Plateau. I don't feel pinpoint. You do Stephen, Alajeku, what boys I see you. You dig my people, please thumbs it up and let me even run this short because I'm going to interview somebody from the Living Crisis Mission, them daddy Hezekiah Shrine, a saved soul. Oh Sharon, oh Bayelsa, wow, nice place. They can eat fish. Their fisherman soup, nobody they try them for that side though. Even Rivers say, I'm not sure say Rivers cook fisherman soup past Bayelsa. Make I even try go Niger Delta restaurant today self go chop their fisherman soup. Stephen, I see you, Stephen. Welcome. So, my people, my brother Ebony's son sent me a voice note. I just played, although he sent a message first. And in that message, he said someone told him that this criminal Ebukobi and his band of criminals in Zion, I didn't even know that they have managers. Is this what's the name of this crook, this woman that calls herself what do they call herself? What's the name of that woman that says she sees vision? Unyoshi, a criminal that was used to blackmail Soludo to back off from finishing all these criminals that set up camps everywhere in Ali under the guise of fighting for Biafra fraud, the IPO BSN criminals. Please, what's the name of that woman that has a mental problem where they're supposed to send go hospital? Now she's looking fine. She is now prophesying for you, getting money. Mmaga, thank you. Let me block one also. Mmaga Jehovah. That wayward, useless woman. Evangelist, I see you. Mma Olise Mega Paul, okay, JP Dalo. The Oko Mara. It was from her that I heard they have managers. I thought Jesus was the manager of the church. I didn't know they have a manager, even advisory board. In fact, the advisory board is the most useless advisory board I've seen. No be J pipe them. Governor Wanga, the one will go prison for touching a small girl, RAPING, Jane a small girl. A small girl, underage girl. I'm not even sure the child was a teenager self when he did that thing to her. So now that kind of person, no, those kind of people be members of an advice J-pipe and name J-pipe. Mwewu J-pipe them. So now them go they advise you like how Chineku na mmadụ ọkọdịrị mmadụ kọchara Chineku unu sote in messenger na J-pipe them be the advisor. Una no say and say una no get sense. Una no say and say una no get sense. Now my brother Ebony's son, Ebony's son, welcome. I can see you one day. When all this while they were talking about his arrest, this and that, I didn't want to weigh in on it because I knew there was nothing there. There was nothing that I knew there was nothing there. If the vice person come police station, nobody to go answer. Let me block one or two. Your mama useless, so tell you they use fake account now. I knew these ones are just a bunch of nobodies. Then the voice note surfaced. Now let me tell you one striking characteristic of that voice message. That voice note, within a few hours of its release, it was marked, shared many times, forwarded many times, which means whomever released that voice note, in this case the Utobo Akozion, whomever released that had, if you ask me, in my own opinion, had an intention to make it go viral. When you sit down and listen to it and watch Afano J Pipe was saying in his own voice note, that place where Ebonyi son was clearly joking, was clearly joking in the midst of the same people defending Ebukobi, and you ask yourself, why would somebody say something like that if it was serious? And if it was serious, why didn't J Pipe go against him immediately? Then you watch what Akirizayon, I'm going to play it, what Akirizayon said. You see that it's a sequel to what J Pipe was saying. In order to make it as if he's very angry, then he inserted some underlining threats into it. Maybe you didn't catch it, but I caught it, of which I'm going to analyze it now. Before I go into the analysis, let me go to my last discussion with my brother Bonson. He said people are informing him that these ones, they want to go and meet the IG of police, that from next month that they will start arresting bloggers and doing this and that. And I'm like you need 1 month to go see the IG. If what you have is that serious, why would you wait for 1 month to go meet the IG? Abi una just dey find who go carry on and meet and this and that. Like, I don't know. Me, I'm sure of myself. They say defamation of character. Well, defamation of character, if you defame someone, go and answer for yourself. Me, I will answer for what I said. And there is nothing I've said about this criminal Ebukobi that I will not defend anywhere. Once again, please, I'm reading only the comments on the Undiluted Truth. If you are not commenting under the page Undiluted Truth, I may not be able to see your comment. I may see it after it's done. So it's Undiluted Truth, and you can actually send stars if you are so pushed. Now, they said they are going to meet the IG. Why do you need IG to file a defamation of character complaint? Or is this another ploy to frighten people? Let me tell you, if I have anything that is so important that the IG needs to hear it, believe me, under 10 minutes you hear, because I'll just write it and give to someone. He will push it straight immediately. If need be, he will fly from Lagos to Abuja and present it to him. So I don't know who you people are trying. No be this Edet Plaza. No be this Edet Plaza here. Make una dey come. Like I said, don't waste time mobilizing the police. Tell me the day you want me there. Me, before una go come off on a hotel room, I don't dey there. Now say kanka. Gunadin, you dey hear me? Now me go first. So let's stop all this noise. In one of Ichobuago's radio talk shows, he said one man man, the son came out and was threatening the van. Oh, we are going that he is going to buy himself. Let me block one also. You don't even know how to write shut up. You are just as illiterate as you could be. Also. Oh, you want carry rope. He want go by himself. This and that. And the man fired back. Ndi Zayombi So if you are by yourself, you go begin the announcer. Go now. Stop telling us you are going to meet the IG, because it doesn't frighten us. Not on this platform, and not against anybody under the cover of this platform. Write it down. That una mumu wey una go dey use money wey una thief from people, e good make una dey pay police. So e good, because the salary no reach anything. Salary no reach, but make una know una limit. I don't need to tell you. I have finished you people when you were all living under IPO bingo, and you think is this one wey una don under Zion B, wey una go do anything. Thunder gagbobu unu niile from Ebuka Obi to any other person that is hatching that plan. You are only going to make your condition worse. Mark it somewhere. You will wasn't. Let's stop making this noise. They to go on too much. Abagomba too much. I remember the very first time where I mentioned Onegberima, this criminal Ebuka Obi. It was when I was in transit. I still remember. I nearly missed my flight from Vienna to Amsterdam, or Amsterdam if you want to call it like Europeans. And I remember the noise we wanna make. I still remember what I replied you. I told you your Ebuka is not even at ant level compared to people I've dealt with. Ebuka Obi kaperembe in business never today. Now this painted cement of Maria, now the answer that is using to confuse you people. And you know, not to insult anybody, Catholics are easily brainwashed and they are liturgical in thinking. Now them be the last people who don't understand anything. Okay, now them be the last people of all the Christians denominations. Now them, in fact, I remember when we were growing up, I was arguing with my friends. They told us that the Bible is not supposed to be read by ordinary people, saying as seminarians, priests, bishops, monsignors, or these ones, archbishops. Now they're supposed to read. So understand how far these people have been detached from the Bible. So it's so easy for a criminal like Ebuka Obi that wasted his business money, then founded a ministry. Like as I'm saying it now, let him command fire now. Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Do it now. Okay, if you no get power to buy me, or yeah, break this finger. This my pinky finger. I beg, break and bidogo dey back and the mother go do no name. Then if you can't do it, shut up and accept that you are a criminal. This business is over. No. I've forgotten the guy in Istanbul. He told me that when he was about coming to Istanbul, his father told him that if he goes into a house and see money packed there, he should take as much as he can live with. Say na the people wey wan carry am for back, carry am for head, do this, do that, na them then they catch. In this scenario, you wanna notice Adeboye for a long time never give prophecy. Oyedepo for a long time never give prophecy. Suleiman na small gradually now they take doing. Jeremiah Omotofufu na him old one they still dey fire am with, and then come they use other things. Oh, I'm empowering youth. They do give away. They cover up. No Ebuka Obi wey no get sense. Is illiterate. It's obvious na no na we illiterate. Only I get daily eye. Na him no. Even you Ebube Monso, you no notice am. Say how does that say? Because they are recycling things they've been doing in the past. That job don't knock. Okay? The job don't knock. So no. If you want people to stop mentioning your name, stop RNG. Stop RNG. Where back an RNG? Are you hearing me? Let me block also. Where is your Nnamdi Kanu I put in jail till today? Anumpama. He deported Igbo. and me dey decide when I dey move. Na me come back, na me still dey go Europe, dey come back. Nnamdi Kanu dey inside prison. He go kpai there. He go kpai there. Nnamdi Kanu is in prison. Okay? And he go kpai there. He no get anything wey he go do about am. Keep una no dey see scoreboard. Look the scoreboard. Na don scatter your IPOB. No dey exist again. Una just enter, jump enter, I go still scatter am. Nke nwe di ya na kote. That Adam Joy Nwafa, you see. Enwe di ya kotara ya. All of you, where are they now? Where Chike Doziem? Where Metusela? Where are you people who also? Well, na no get shame. I go continue to humiliate on. So the illiterate Ekperime Bukobi should know that this job is over. It's over. You cannot bring it back again. The awakening has happened, and if you insist on trying your luck with this one, you are only going to dig your hole even deeper. You are going to dig your hole even deeper. This is just the truth. You don't need to accept it, but if you love yourself, you have to accept it. Okay? You will have to accept it. If you don't, you are going to end worse than those that came before you. You never start this business. You still dey do motor. Now to swear. Now about the guy when Reverend King start. Where is he now? It happened before your eyes just last year. Feyi Daniels go prison for life. So your own will not be different. You know, say some of these pastors, if you check, they've been changing their messages of late. They've been changing their messages of late. Why? Because they have the mental acuity to do that. They can change, they can switch. But Ebukobi, being the illiterate he is, being the okoko, the way in brain na one way traffic, that one way learn, copy and paste. And he has done this thing for years. He needs it to continue for all those Umuadaka to be there, listening. Okay? Okay? Let me block one also. You go to use fake account, they type Negi here. Are you understanding me now? There is nothing that will stop us from telling the truth. Ebukobi, I called you a criminal. I called you a criminal because you are a criminal. You have no power. Now you don't talk saying he go change the sex of pikin wey dey belle. Can you imagine that one? Cry for yourself, oh. Who dey cry? That he can change the sex of Ebukobi, that child. Please, our brother Nokechukwu, help me, send me the link if you have it. Let me go and play that one to you people also. Let me play it. The Nigeria Medical Association needs to wake up and do their job. And do their job. In fact, go on YouTube. That place he said he would do that thing. Call that side, report it for medical misinformation, disinformation. How can you say you can change the sex of a child in the stomach? Okay, since they still get that belly, give us the woman. Let's go and do a test. Let's do a test to confirm that one. And when I say it, you say I'm defaming your character. Do you have character and they defame? You don't even get character when they defame. Let me block one also. Oh, you are jealous of Ozu. Jealous of an illiterate who has no job. Evangelist or who job title. Ebukobi, go get a legitimate job. Or carry the one where you thief already. Where you thief already. Go into full business. Make we know say na business you dey do. Okay? You are a jobless man. Why should anyone be jealous of a jobless criminal like Ebukobi? He's not an inventor. He's not a scientist. Nothing. What is he selling you? Fake hope. Fake. Writing you a check you will only cash after you buy. And I need the person when I say, hey, man of God, le go down man. Le go do also. Let me block one or two. Le go do also. I got to ego. Now, back in the day, on a dey threaten people for Ili Igbo. As long as I am here, as long as I hear it, it will not happen. Okay? As long as I hear it, as long as I'm here, it will not happen. It will not happen. See two things they use: intimidation and money. Now, nke intimidation, putawa go do there. Nke intimidation, putawa go do there from the intimidation because you cannot do anything. Umuozu, you on my page asking me my job, man, you sense. You dey my page, they ask me my job. You see, I say you don't get brain. Like if you people had spent the time you are spending in the shrine of this Bukobi and know how the world actually works, you will know how stupid you sound. You know, you people are incapable of feeling shame. Una no get sense. Una no just get sense. Intimidation, potawe ba nunu kaperempe. When real mafias, both home and abroad, no fit do anything, and no na one can intimidate people. Unu can etete. Unu all sense and nekunu unu enwe ho. Then Chijo can greet you. All sense unu ne enwe ho. Then using money to bribe someone or the over the bar, like it will not happen. That one will not fly. That one will not fly. You cannot. Not be everybody then they use this on a paper money where they vanish. They didn't. Now who never touch money or now do they do that thing for? Like what do I need it for? What in the world do I need it for? I can take care of myself. Okay? Me block one also. You get ezigbo account na abia first. You get ezigbo account na abia first. We will not fold for these criminals. We will not fold for umundoshia. If akwa unu gebe una never begin cry. You see this cry? He never start until Ebukobi stop RNG. Until he stops RNG, we will keep telling you the truth. Let me block one also. Oh, come back to the village. Where was he when I came back? You did even gave you 2 months notice. 2 months notice on a no even concept, and you are shamelessly still repeating it. If I go print the video, why is that on the video? Like you did something the last time. You see, I'm no let the same bingos, no only the same comments, then they repeat. Now on that Zion B. Showing you that these people ishinda no arere brain nda ogota no anime. Like if I be on, I no go to even mention come to the southeast again. Shamed you all the way through, humiliated all of you. On a cry, on a eye, budge out like this, and you still did. Like, do you people get erection by being humiliated? Does humiliation arouse you people? Does humiliation arouse you people? On a tell you now, and you on my page you also. How many times do we need to go through this? Oh yeah, you know why you see they make this one? Because I never put money. Oh yeah, put money, you go see me for Saturday tomorrow. Put your money now, give it to no we go to keep. No, we go the money, and I go there. Oh, where you see that weather or that control, I go there, do video over 1 hour, and I no go do anything. Ebukobi has no power, and that remains the absolute truth. He doesn't have any power. If he stops RNG, we will stop mentioning his name. If he continues it, I will keep on humiliating him and all of you. Okay? I will keep on humiliating him and all of you, and there is absolutely nothing any of you will do, including the Ekperime Bukobi. Antonio, including the Ekperime Bukobi, now let me play the voice note from Akere Zion. See if you can spot what he was doing there. See if you can spot what he was doing. Man, don't worry now. Obadudu every day I need to take on since 2020 and I never do anything. Now I won't do it. You say come with your mentor. Asari Dokuba. That one not to finish on a full village now. That one not to finish on a full village. Dokuba Asari, see I'm they give a title now. Eh? They give am title. Title where person merit. Merited title no be on a place where they give title to umokoko that have never achieved anything. Just go do 419. If government money come, then go give you title. You say the cherry picking on no ono Igbo na ebe ha ga-ekwete na the ego dị neutral. Dị na neutral hand. Okay? Ebe ha ga-ekwete na ọ na-emegodu first. Oh no, una the them and no. That what I say made them give no now. No who speaks with both sides of the eye. At least the person will be say if then they find their money, may they know where they will this I say you will never know peace in your life. Also, you know peace, now you there they cry. You know peace now. Am I the one crying on your platform? You are the one crying on my platform, and you never know peace. You never know peace. Says the one crying. Says the bingo crying. Do you know what peace means? If you know what peace means, you no go dey here. They collect insult. You no go dey here. They collect humiliation. Anything, pam, you know. Bass for every goes. Bass for every goes. Oh God, bring put your money now at least. So ego nufu mboso ozo na-emechi ọnụ. Ego nufu mboso ozo na-emechi na-atọ ọnụ maka nke a na-eme ya free enwe ihe ọ dị unu ke. Amado, like, do you know how you know I'm bigger than them? They will never take me on the challenge of putting their money. Let them try it now. If they try, I'm not going to talk to them again. If they put their money show up, I'm not going to talk to them again. Just they're going to do more okutenkite. They're going to do more okute. They will not show up and they will be making noise. Mechienu no npari ona atu no to na ho. Npari anu like the way they take on a rub ground on a two like am. Man, it could be their fetish. You know, say when all these sex whatever, some people their fetish could be being humiliated publicly because it's obvious. It's obvious. Okay. Let's play this thing from Akere Zion.
J-Pack, Isiagu ezokum, and the man name was the mother. I pray the hand here. You can imagine now when I get an Gurano go fue Before go I bruko segra. Oh namo or some boy Ibiza. Come on, I get a in one side and never go give VIP. Can you be a baby when I get no last? Mo go give VIP. I tango nko uta kabla yi se rango back to back J-Pack e didn't go get them money hojo. Can you get that for your dollar chi memoir?
Now listen. Also na Ibiza even carry go. Ibiza wey we open 2014. Ibiza wey we open 2014. Wey dey for Apple Junction. Now we open am 2014. In the instant J-Pack. Okay, so if this was a message straight to J-Pack, why did they release it? And it happened to be forwarded many times in a matter of a few hours. This is damage control now and projection of strength. When they project strength, they are weak. The Art of War. Read the book. Read the damn book. is a war manual of over 2,400 years, and everything stated there holds true till this day. Oh, JPAC, because you are trying to present something else, okay, and bamboozle us, send us on a fool's errand, white goose chase. We know what you people are doing here now. JPAC, I don't send you do bad thing to people. No be honor they give them food to go they insult all these people, plus Mbaka and everyone. Oh, no be honor they send them. Tomorrow you go tell us say no be you they send Governor Wanga. Governor Okuashi will go prison for raping a small child. Now pedophile they defend on now. I don't send it to do bad thing to person before. Why you go there where they do me bad thing? Like who would listen to that voice note from Ebonishon and say this guy is planning to, okay, each of you may your job to Ebuka Emana Ego na Nata no Ninye Oji Amewegi case Ega Haputamune Ego Ije game mother case go kwambe they right to. Okay? J food, J stomach, or egi mmadụ mere gị ihe. So Ebony son don craze don mumusote ingo dey talk about honor against honor for JPAC hand. You did not see him laughing there. You did not see how everyone took it for a joke. Now you are the JPAC. Didn't give anybody focus on your Zolo beaters. I'm supporting it too, so long it's good. It's not affecting people's health. So long Amadum Nang Onongo Tiaka no Drian Kiagada high off man. I am not, in fact, create more jobs for people. At least go do Sunday Zion. You go do here go kaha. Let them eat. Fight. Employ them, put them on payroll. Let them eat and stop seeing these evil spirits they are seeing at night. Now hunger, frustration, desperation, and misery now in the cause. This is pure damage control. This is pure damage control. You will see where the threats will come.
Not even my Lord, my spiritual director.
Yeah. Not even my Lord. And so Ebuko Bina na your Lord. Ebuko Bina like negodu ya no mana una asimu kosi ikpo ewu utobo. Na you utobo mepere onu na, of course I know what he's doing. Oya nwa mama ebe ha ka na share wetere ha ndi njem. Na them know. I'm not saying that for sure. I don't know. But this urgent teacher bro dogu na go tell us where the money they come from, because there's nothing like magic money or miracle money. You either have light money or dark money. Most of what you call miracle money na dark money. Okay? Alright? My Lord, let me replay it.
I tango nkwogo. Uta kabla isi na ango back to back. JPAC didn't go get them money on job. Kezi kezi afusi oda na chi memwa. Na chi my Lord, my spiritual director. JPAC a claim was in my group. I say my group, we white boys, I will get here. We winning a group, the same group in on India. He will go, he will be by the first second. Now, some mobile clay talking openly. No, go by me. One day, he's involved in this, nonsense. And
now, he don't they do like made them, they like say they accuse JPAC, J food. If you go to say me na kodi kahana akwapu J food. All these things na in just they lay the ground to drop the threat. Don't worry now. In the Ichere na agwu Zion.
Let me tell you one thing. Ebo wure ka voice sir, I got involved there. It was that useless rat. Sniper so neri bengri. Look at that idiot. I'm happy with now.
Negodanu manu na akpari Ebony son. Negodi isi odo. Dịcha iberibe to the point that he calls Ebuka his Lord and Savior. is insulting Ebonyi son. Gwagodu mi ihe utoba anu a ga-eji na kwesịghị ibi post SF. Gwa mi ihe mere dis utobo dis afọ anụ. He go still expose himself. Thank you, Ebuka Okoye. He thinks we are almost Ayombi. Onye ka ị na-amaja this thing anụmanụ mpama. Onye ka ị na-akọrọ ihe na-akọgheri ebe ọnụ ị nọ ihe na-ama jijiji. Akọ yaka yaka ma ọ bụrụ ike na ome ihe ukwu nwunye nwoke. Ọ sị mmadụ kọ yaka yaka. Akọ yaka yaka. Ebonyi onye nwunye edebe akịrị Zion debe Ebonyi son nwunye akịrị Zion ọ ga-eji ọkpa site ọ ga-eji ire site hie na ka m ekpepụ amụ m site ebe a rachawa Ebonyi son rachawa ruo na ntutu isi. I am telling you, even akịrị Zion no say if they put Ebonyi son, the wife go leave and carry Ebonyi son. Only say my brother no dey carry married women. Ọka narị onye anụ nwunye ya na sef aka na-eweta ego solo bitas ga na-eri ya n'azụ anụ mpa.
Ọgala Mozambique jụ ajụjụ mmanụ no heavyweight ka nwụọ.
He say Ebonyi son don call Mozambique ask questions about am, no say him be heavyweight. Akịrị Zion, which business should they do for Mozambique? Kaikweni anụnụ. Shebi I first talk about that Mozambique before, on I think saying a lie. No be use a mouth they talk am now. Please, the best thing you will do to Akịrị Zion is to keep a microphone in his face. We go use his hand to expose himself. Saying don't call Mozambique, ask about them. They don't know saying the heavyweight. Which business? Which business you they do for Mozambique? Can you show us your pay slip showing that you are working there? Can you show us the company you are running in Mozambique? And what is your inventory? Yes. Akwanụ magunu na ndị ochie a onye anụmanụ a ga-ebupụta onwe. No be only oil and gas. No be only oil and gas. Even air and water. Akịrị Zion, ke business ị na-eme na Mozambique ebe ị chọrọ ibupụta onwe gị. And are you bringing in something from Malawi? I go begin mention people. You know say na my men wey tell me say make I no dey call name. In fact, if I drop name from Malawi to Mozambique to South Africa, ihe niile ga-agbagbu. We know they talk Pakistan own. Ezawo bear me witness. In fact, Ezawo you don't blow for Pakistan now when Akịrị Zion they sleep for restaurant to no Okija. When in the wash plate. Okay. Which business you they do for Mozambique according to the brother Okori Igwe Okori? Ke business in the men of Mozambique? Anuman. Ihe agwara gị ga-ebupụta onwe gị akwa gị tonda ga-abụ uwe gị where you go shi okeke jaka she no dey talk again o ikpu krokro that one krokro wey dey hayash if you use and shoot bird the bird go pieces. The size of krokro wey dey hayash even near toto like this everywhere, if them bust and put am for catapult shoot you that thing for head you go land for mortuary. Serious heavyweight ekperima. Heavyweight also animal. Let's go back. Let him be exposing himself.
Thing. Ebe wure ka for voice I got involved there. It was all that useless rat. It's not a person Iri Bengri. Look at that idiot. I'm happy when Ogala Mozambique judge mano no heavyweight come.
When you dey Ebonyi son age, you dey wash plate for Pakistan. You dey wash plate for restaurant for Pakistan. Kanka. You dey wash plate for restaurant for Pakistan, but see Ebonyi son. He is doing well for himself. He is doing well for himself. So no go use your dirty money where you no know where you from get am. Also Michael said they go arrest you. Me wey don pack my bag, me wey don wash boxers, they wait for them. Let him come and explain to us the business he's doing in Mozambique and South Africa, and how many passports you don use before. I know I enter that side. How many passports, how many names you don use for passport? Should we go there? Should we go there? Imam mechinata ọnụ, ị ka na-ebupụta onwe gị. Imam mechinata ọnụ, ịma na ha agwa gị ya na ị na-ezuzu. Ihe a ka ị ga-ekwu igide, kwụnye onwe gị ebe ịma mpụta. Oh, you don't ask me about from Mozambique. I'm a heavyweight. Ịchọ ka o se etibe na. Ịchọ ka o se etibe mgbada.
I don't know. I've not been mentioned anywhere. Have I mentioned his name anywhere before? Have I made a post and tag him before? That boy have a many questions to answer. This one is a small one. Among the questions answered. I just draw Abuja. You just do the level of evidence in the job. Evidence is
say make it ask the people where carry reach abi. No be this materials wey una go beg now. Una use beg come out for the case. No be materials case wey una use beg wey j food come dey yarn rubbish totally different from what happen. Which people you carry go Abuja? Okay, me sef with that Abuja, come make we dey do am. I don tell you, Akere Zion, choose one field, football field around your area. Me, I go carry ogene music come, you carry your own music group come, me, I go beat you there. I'm geji aka kwuo gị nkụchacha gị ijeweze ebe ị na-eje. Hey, people who I carry go Abuja, carry who go Abuja? Kendi di ya mention names, say the kind of evidence, so you know get shingba evidence. Shingba evidence, you know, see. If this one gets more evidence against you, your own don't finish. Ebony son no listen to them. If this guy gets a single evidence against you, you go down to prison by now. Say, oh, you still they gather. Like, or you told me no gibus on me we announce. I'm still gathering evidence. You see, I seen they withdraw. You see, I seen they withdraw. You see, I seen they withdraw. So you get evidence. You get which evidence you came with? Iman respect to nwe banimun. Iman respect to nwe banimun. Inata be kwenke Matthias Ijele. You never come back now. Oh, I didn't get. He say in keep silent about Ebony son and Onobudu, where because the evidence never complete. Go with that incomplete one. Bidogodu nanka nezubehezu. So evidence they get complete and incomplete. No, it's either you have evidence or you don't. Either you have it or you don't have incomplete pregnancy. It's either you're pregnant or you are not. Okay, this is evidence where they carry go meet police. Why you no carry and meet your Lord and Savior? Nasabo, Uncle Sabo, Spencer. Why you never carry and go meet your Lord and Savior according to you? Now you use your mouth call him Lord and you say you get power. Go report to them now. Now you come they fight for person where you they call your Lord and Savior if one need the baby. Now tactical withdrawal, French leave. He's taking a French leave. Oh, he just keep quiet about him and don't know. But in Agoni, in Akoronye BSA in Akodi. Who they call Spencer Ishi speaker? Ishi Spencer the Quaker speaker, but don't say it here, please. Don't you hear the really resemble speaker? You don't see Spencer before. You hear the big Amwag Ishi Spencer no Nkegagam. But please don't tell him there. He's a high-ranking member here. If you say me they block you, they go block you. No insult Spencer here. If not joke, stop a mo. You dey say say you go do this, in they leave him and don't know, but Ngewa. See, it takes a high dosage of intelligence to play the waiting game. Stupid people don't play the waiting game. Thank you so much. It takes a healthy dosage of intelligence. Intelligence is not what you mention in the same sentence as Akerezayo or Nutobo or Ebukobi or anybody that takes them seriously for that matter. Okay? Or anybody that takes them seriously for that matter. These people, the waiting game now for intelligent people like us. Okay? Okay? Kekwen kebu 15-13 gearbox. Kekwen you say Spencer Maroon. Now this Spencer fine wife on the target. Now Chinelo na don't they use that idea the target abi? No word on go get sense.
Yeah, no amount of people can make happen because evidence has to do behind prison straight. And on to go to one nego Facebook because of people taking Facebook. Wow, JPAC, he made sure. Just start me see you could not go. If you could not what they go, that's what it means.
You see, in the Ebune side that this thing looks scripted now. It looks scripted. It's so scripted. Becky go mention JPAC name himself. May they do like saying the vex. Oga Pia Ishi na war. Enuye neku. Je cho trailer GV speed abia no do ya. Omonso. Je cho trailer in fact cho train akwe no na Abuja. Worry itakpe worry this thing. Train. Obu ni iwe na-ewe go ofuma. I ga-eju ma na iwe a na-eweshi gị ka epu ebe a ma isi na the train. I see yes no na-ewe iwe. N'ebe a na-akọ eri. You go do like saying they talk to JPAC na threat in the threaten people. Nwoke m ichi ikwu okwu pụta kwuwa ya ekwuwa. Ichi kwuwa ịga ya ekwuwa ịga. Abụghị na ọ na-akụkụ ị na-eme ụta je pipe je food isi data ebe isi nye isi ya na-ewere no ana m echeni gị mbọsị ị ga-akpọ m aha wee piere gị bana try ya you go shi shebi na I don face am now she don dey run na you go shi na come dey tell me say make I no dey come for her page if they born am well with ikpu korokoro ya bịa here. In any day where I get time, I go see the comment for her page to show you say na me just deliver because she was a distraction. Now the Kano don't day where he day everything don't finish. Now I get time for all of her. Anyway, my time on. Latest Igbo go she deal. I go still share them for Telegram. Her latest Igbo day. I go share them for Telegram. Also. You're there like why are you intimidating people you yourself say you big pass? If you want to show strength, punch at your weight level. No be you go see people wey be like say you go intimidate, you go do this one. Let me state it again, you are a nobody, you cannot do anything. And you no get your police. Now your police no be Nigeria police because if na Nigeria police you want carry come you no get what I do. I go there go explain myself. Okay, and woe betide the policeman because as I dey come out from the station outside where they allow camera I go begin dey do live video dey come out then I go face that one. I go face am any other illegal thing wey he don do I go blow am out like this. Mmefe ka ebe a na-efe chapụ n'ikuku ghasa ya everywhere so jee kwadowe na nke ka na-eme bụ mkpọtụ ị ka na-ebechu akwa ka ị na-ebe this thing. People are hearing threat, I'm hearing wailing, I'm hearing a wounded, a bruised ego, fake ego. This is what I'm hearing. I am hearing a fake ego.
ọgụ ka chisa na-agbara m ihe a na ọkụ ngwu na nwere ọkụ ka ngwu na nwere m okechi ọkwụrụ mmadụ ebuka obido efe okechi That is.
He say make I show and I say I get big God. Make you know say Ebuka Obi get you. Ebuka Obi get big God and you dey threaten people with police. So police is bigger than that your God now. If you get Ndoshi. Now them they give police bad name. This bad image where police get, especially for Southeast, now this kind of people. Now this kind of people. When I don't see I repeat. Then go carry on a brother, say make them join ESN, go they buy for inside bush. Then they go carry their own brothers and sisters, put them for police. The day where they want deal with person, when not do them anything, no, they go call their brothers and sisters. They come arrest you. If one police Igwe. See, if you people would change your logos to police uniform, at least make we know who they fear. Say that one they read. No be, oh God of Zion. We move. No Atlantic Ocean. On a third mainland bridge, kuno no ya. No Atlantic Ocean. On him Atlantic Ocean kuno man. You are moving into that Atlantic Ocean. No be third mainland bridge on a day so.
Idiot na chaka. Banana maybe. Snow, boy son. That riffraff they rugin there. Na dia salamo clean mo na abroad Ndi Igbo aye. Apa bona Mozambique Joyce akori onyembo.
You still they repeat the Mozambique issue. Ozu where they call himself for Friday. Where is your Nnamdi Kanu and who put him there? Ewu, where is your Nnamdi Kanu? How many years now? How many years? Where is your Nnamdi Kanu? He don't turn good person now. He need that they beg. He they need that now. They give even one shake lawyer. They bounce him. He one shake court clerk. Then bounce him. Where is your Nnamdi Kanu? Like humiliation, no they tire on her. Like how long do I need to humiliate you people? How long do I need to humiliate and do not go still they bring her back? Where is your Nnamdi Kanu? Mention a single thing I told him I will do to him June 23. 23rd June 2020. He get anyone where remain and when I see there they make noise. One Okoko said Akuzion is not my level. Yes, it's not my level because I'm not an idiot. I'm not an Okoko like him. I'm not a noisemaker. He knows it's not my level. That is why I will tell him to come this place. He will not come. I will say make he choose venue. You are right. Even Mumu people sometimes then they talk good, you know. You are right. He is not my level anywhere. Anywhere. All this bragging when they brag for now money they go waste. Now money they go with me in a phone call. Phone call. Why would he be my level? Like, am I mad? Why would you? I could be like, I don't. Now they are for rich. Eba akanda bugoro nke aku geji abu my level. Onye bukwana kereza yo. Onye enwe your pastor. Somebody that is calling this criminal Ebuka Obi a category it. His Lord and Savior go come be my level. Una no get sense. Una no get sense.
Agbara bịa nkịtị maka evidence ezube. Ana m
ịgbara nkịtị maka iji evidence. He saying they keep quiet. He just deliver because the evidence never complete. No, you no get. You no get any evidence. You know say if una carry a boy son go police now, by the time go come out in page go reach 250. And at that time una go collect the men woto. So it will be an effort in futility. Effort in futility. You people know. You know. I deliver because the evidence never complete. Okay, bring the incomplete one. Bidogodu no ofu. Ndara. Start with the incomplete one. Like I'm man in the serious. Matthias own complete. Why on a run? You go arrest her. Try again now. Anumpam. Try again. Arabachie gente there. Envious of who? Illiterate. This Ozu that doesn't know anything other than scamming you people. Let me block one or two. Umumpama. Jealous of who? Oh, Reverend Father Kevin Ugu is also jealous of your Ebuko Obi. Father Oloma is jealous of your Ebuko Obi. Bishop Ona that is preaching against all this you people are going to see there. It's against thunder what the chapel Ishi there. And now the same language, like I told you, they don't know anything. Now the same IPOB nonsense then they repeat. When I was exposing him now they can as a fraudster, they say, oh, you are jealous of it. Like, how would I be jealous of a man that is telling you he's going to buy weapons for you, bringing you via fraud? How would I be jealous of a man? Okay, look at where he is today. Now, not be who when I say are they jealous. Negodun Nam they come. He is now singing national anthem. He has now become a patriotic Nigeria. Just made them for add one meat for him food. The day where they no give him beans. The day where if not be because if they carry him go Kujena, or I go they bring drugs for him, you go they carry woman, they do anything, then you go come court, they shout. You know see am since where they keep away, you know see drug take. Every time when you come court. Tapu Ishi. Ishi ka Volkswagen. Carry head for Volkswagen. Like it na so na brain dey. They don't come again. Meet na once a week. Small one, nobody here can go down. I don't carry gari, moi, kuli, say make I go give am. They no gree me enter. Because I know say they lack some kind protein there. Prick no go dey work again. If we see prick where they tell you, I say it here. And I know say when women they can't wear women naked. Women naked and for Enugu, it no happen. Also, you are on my page. Oh, go and look for work, but you are on my page. You don't go there before to go headquarters. To go headquarters. Really? You want make I go there today? You want me, in fact, I go write one better policy, carry and go there. I go reach CSO Adamu office. If need be. They don't renew DGBT tenor another 4 years. So una have gonna enwe bed in ka enwe the ya na media. Umuzu. Your Nandi Kanu go buy there. Okay? Nobody go give them now. Now chop blow job. This is the same statement. Go check the comment. Now the same thing. Now the same bingos. Now they move from bingos to full-blown bingos to Zion bingos. This is what they are. Umocho. You nothing say no na. Ndara. Nothing say no na. Wake you just come carry the vex of the slap where they give you on the IPOB. Come now, come they
Adam ajugbu before they
yeah.
Adam ajugbu map o te sa timpo da map ya pesian kpuru n'ime ya ka nwetewego ahụ ya ka nwetewego ahụ dị nweta ga-akwụ ụgwọ very soon. You will pay for it.
Okay.
When I'm done with him, I be the baby. What him chọrọ ime ya gbupụtara ka evidence ya nwee ike ịgbagota ọfụma.
No, ị nwebeghị ihe chọrọ ime because o nweghị ihe ị ga-eme. You no get wetin around there now because you no get wetin you go do. Say making the complaint, making evidence complete, bring the incomplete to make we see. Obugo 3 months imprisonment, you go the ending cause of doazo. Now in the middle of a fight, You are telling me I get gun, oh, fight don't start to shoot. I get gun, oh, I get gun, oh. When fight don't already start. No, what be you before you arrested someone first. Now that time you go to talk, I'm not be now where you don't fire blank. I never get in time. I never want to do. You never do something because you don't get what you go do. You have no evidence. That thing you people are peddling is not an evidence against anybody. Alright? Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Only important corner. Noise ka name. Next thing when you begin that, what you are doing to your brother? What you are doing to your brother? It's your people. You are enemy of your people. As if now your people they talk about no shi. Ekperima will go cause problem for one Umuchu family. Imagine someone telling the whole world that your mother is behind the vitiligo of her daughter-in-law. What you are doing to your brothers? See what you are doing to your brothers. Is it not your brother? Is it not your now all this one I comment now so it sound for my ear. Now so it sound for my ear. If I did hear and now so it sound. So I should let this criminal be deceiving you now. We should let him to go on deceiving you. Not be the same cry when I cry. Why are you against your brother? You are against the Biafra. Okay, where the Biafra they show me the document IPOB Worldwide Limited. You read them so? Charles Edmond, thanks for the 50 stars. Now emotional blackmail, the cry no they reach me anywhere. Because before I slap you, I know what you do will make me slap. So if you like cry until the next millennium, I know the year. I know the year. You know they pass my brain. I know the year. Also, we will do this one. I can make it. Many are careful. Many are boy no na kohida meya. Wetin remain? Una don go carry police shoot people for Omenala Ezoku people there. So which one remain again? The one where you never do, na the one where you no fit do. So stop all this noise. Of which you know man. Akuzan, Shebi I don't say make you choose the field. Make you do at once. If you beat me, I go home. If you beat me, I go home. Okay?
Ma, I'm not as well. What you first second, I'm not as well. Let's just say you can. I got that call off my body. Ya for Mojo Kureku, Gebesha, Koyemema, Koyemenjo. Opayama, Ma baby. Ma baby gave out a pimple. Oh, mana, you can yaga dress a bacamo, right from Mumbempe. One day, Ntori Begi here, Mbi Begata Ikuum.
Akerisayon, you later making go ask about you, even from when you small. Akerisayon, the way do you want to wear the email? Oh, where did he made it? I did him son, everybody, you got the way bought two pa. Kewa. Ibube AK Putagodume road first because Obuni Megia, Obu on social media Kagania, or when they gana Kugodia Tete. Ibu toy. August Street again. And I knew say, may they go ask about them. Show me one notable thing where you do where we small. Me, I will give you 5. Verifiable. 5. I go give you 5. Show me what you don't do before. Where your ID card? We get ID card. What you don't do, where you don't see, like Akusayon. If they no fresh, you can want mommy. You they see her. You don't clear. ịdị fresh ka nwa ma ọmị a na-ekwu okwu na-asị m ihe ime runye ka ịbụ who you be. Show us your ID card. Kpọgodo event kpọọ nọmba kpọọ name ka ifugodu ka amara ndị ma ewu. Show us your own na. Bịa ka ịfụ ID card ọ karịrị akarị na-eghe ebe a na-eghe ma mma ma bọtụl nke niile. You don declare say. Show us wetin you don do. They get ask of no, we no suppose dey ask of you na the people wey you do am to or your group wey you dey run with na dem suppose dey talk am, no be you go dey do nonsense say make we go ask. Show us go see aka na afọ a na-ekwu okwu na-egodo ụmụ anụmanụ ụmụ mbe na-abịa iweta ọnụ nweta gị ifuo nwe your time ifuo nwe iberibe ị ga-eme gịnị ewu ajụdo ese gị nke iji bụrụ onye ị ga na-afụ scores after scores ọ bụghị ị ga na-asa ije eje jụọ. Show us wetin you don do. Show us ka anyị na-afụ ya n'anya ọ bụrụ onye na-ekwu gbewewewu pụta ka mgbuwa gị isi ka ị kwete aka ka m ga-eji gbuwa gị isi otu a like sugide supụchata gị brain n'isi ka ị ga-ezigbo akpụ everywhere ọ bụghị ite ọnụ Ude Abuja na come na pick location make we gather bloggers everybody go dey watch am pick location tie gị ihe ka ụmụazị anụmanụ
ma na-abịa echi ikuwuo m ga-alakwa bịa ọzọ m ga-abịakọta ndị media
etibeghị ezigbo ihe nke iji abịa echi nke anyị na-abụ say if you beat me I go come back tomorrow they never beat you. You know that kind beating where you go beat person, you go there for that junction where be say if you turn right na the living, left na the dead. So if you manage survive am, if onye ahụ ọsọ ka ị ga na-agwa etibeghị ihe ifubeghị ihe ajabeghị aja gị ị ga-ekwete ajabeghị. We no need referee. This one not buying to anybody where they be say he don't dey okay. No separation. No separation. Bia no again no chop and boss of no ebe na ekwu again now. Mo anoma. Because we live on. Things say if people like us want do bad thing now, say you go waka for Abuja. I go find your closest competitor, tell am wetin e go cost, and he go provide am. Onye ọbụgodo Igbo ahụ ịtọ ka o wetere ebe a ga-ere ya akọ nara onye ahụ Igbo ahụ ịtọ mee gị ihe. People wey go, you know say yourself you get enemies now, you get competitors. I not approach them, tell them wetin e go cost. Mwembe
I'm only a Christian, I'm not a born again Christian. Underline this word.
Oh, you are still a Christian, but you are not a born again. No, now we be devil. You know they hear my name Udele. Udele. Vote. Oh, it can be the Christian. We know they go that side. Oh, you are still. Oh, you are a Christian, but you are not a born again. If you like I want to get on a primary. Adiyakabu primary one can Google. I'm a Christian, I'm not a born again. We know even they DSF. I have full degree of first year no saying as unless by name. Like I had that for the guy for Christ, the guy who he cannot go here. I'm a Christian, I'm not a born again Christian. Eleni Ishia. Echi is a echi is a politin, is a politin, echi is a bag, is a bag. Kekwe nke bụ akpa politin bag. So if we hear this one now, we go run. So this one is supposed to frighten us. No, like, hey, the way I could go, I want to up and I'm asking
I am only a Christian who believe in Christ. But a child give me a child. One each eye for eye, man, you
see this one.
Oh, my wakusayo. Yaga Jews, Makadia Mama. Or somewhere, I am one Nachi Christian in Dubai. I get Jews. Or ya Jews, Makadia Mama. If I get an oil, not die, Nache. You put on Facebook, you never get a war. What again? As I call it that in a group, this guy dropping about prophet. JPAG, and you are calling me to tell me what? In a group, this guy about 24 seconds. He can see bankete. He couldn't bring more.
Hey,
don't worry.
When I don't hear about I can just food the quarrel. Hey, I could. Can you know ya game? I can just food the quarrel. Also, like you like Attire. So when I listen to this thing finish, get mind, go release and come outside. To what end? For what reason? To what end? Why are you releasing it? Okay, like if you go no time and watch hell, Chideke, I want many Akama the other stabilize. Make I do like Goshin in baby kid. Ndi Igbo. Mama, what do you do? What do we gonna do this one? Nah. He said, Ndi Igbo. As if no say it, you go still go contract ESN or what? Me, I know the person, nobody the guard they are gonna come here and carry my own come out. He pass ESN, all these criminals where they southeast, all these hungry people. I be these ones where they for when I get luck, shebi when I dey Lagos, I say make una dupe him now, make una see me for FHA. I say dupe him, una go see me for FHA now. Kiche n'otu ị na-aza dị akụ ị na-aza heri ọ iche na mbịa na-efe eche na enwe ga na-afụ gị iche na enwe onye ga-afụ gị ma mkpọ efe eche enwe na onye ga-afụ gị ka ọkọta ahụ na-emebichago red sand if not kpọọ red sand mkpọ red sand ka ị ma na enwe onye ebu dị enwere onye ebu nne m dị area for Lagos ị na-akụ iri ihe na-akụ oje food dey nwe onye nwe respect for ndị gwuru Yasmin finish am governor ọrụ ụmụazị governor pedophile go no be the expose say na 500,000 na pay imagine only 500 these police people na no just get respect when you know say you hold am for neck like that collect better money for this food and even come get mad when they talk rubbish person wey una go carry bring out in former case then you go vomit better money chikwem na go do mozu na police all these young policemen una no be guy men walai una go meet me we go talk and put me for percentage who go dey do push me I push you una go carry me put me handcuff and go Lagos make them dey happy for news oh this and that they go do me I go just dey hotel I no go carry ashawo I go just dey hotel choko nnem we go just dey hotel choko milo nwanne mmadụ where do we go from here nwanne ọkwa dị ka bịa ka ezewe kwa ezewe so I know voice note nke agbafuo or you no plan to a mmadụ na onwe exam ọ na pass if you use your hand set exam for yourself you must pass and person wey use mouth dey drive motor no dey get accident. So na im be all these ones wey you dey see. For their mind now, this voice note suppose make sense or make people dey fear. They say they go start next month. Why not now? Next month to chat. Why not now? Who know how many people will go there alive reach next month? Start it now. Only he gave me. May we are not go say to go say to Abu go say to go now. Oh, need to come eba. Me put I am a kaifo. Me put am mo ga so kaifo. Na koyi. Where do this?
What? Nsubade. Ka abaso sa go man. Just don't.
Ana m agụ ya ka nna agbụ ya. Ifuru ihe ọgbasa ọsọ agụọ maịlị ahụ anọghị m na ya. Si na-agụ ya ka a na-agbụ ya. Ị na-anụ? Ọ bụrụ Android watch o, Apple watch o, enuwa na-agbụ ya ka a na-eme ozugbo. Okay? Na them go prison. If I go prison, na to go visit them. If you see me there, na to go visit them. Wait, what do you do when you go take go prison? You call them go be a criminal. He's a criminal. Stella, thanks for the 100 stars. You call him a criminal. Prove it that he's a criminal. Ebuki Iji power. Iji fensik. Iji para. Iji sitamon. Iji hinova gene. Like onweho ihonachi. Why would you be defending somebody you said he has a very a big supernatural power and you are defending him? The person then be bishop also bro baby oko if I your baba they still borrow 500k give a lot.
Do that now. I hear na put on BBC but with the voice recorder. I hear na put on AIT with the voice recorder. I hear put on even channels. I pass the way ego. I have fear ego there, man. I have to say how come some way ego.
Iji
this time around.
Iji akirizayo. Iji
don't worry. Mata me ball I hear me appear. At this point, nne where you were 50%, give 80%.
Isiagu. Say their name and that voice call go come out for BBC News Igbo. Say you go come out for AIT. Say you go come out for channels. Say be side no them Iji shish. If you uzo akere Zion. Remember asset confiscation under the law, the drug law. So all these things wey una dey talk, e get where you go reach. Nkege efuo. This one no bribery no dey inside though. Bribery no dey inside that because that thing wey you want to bribe them, government will seize it and you don't know who will be the final buyer. Okay? So we, like I told you, all this money misroad na them be the problem. Once they don't see am to them, a foolish man don't become intelligent man. A useless okoko don't become Lord and Savior. But you go where you go reach, you go see say that your money na nothing. This one are the thief from people. Oh, anointing. This one, anointing. See how much then they say their sacraments. For Ireland, people don't they wake up now. Now we expose the money when they pay for our WhatsApp group. Now people we don't wake up from there. Now you expose them, and if you are just down like this, you go down. They go. Helicopter. We don't lose balance. Where the rotor no dey even turn again. If you see am, you go just do like this. You go first be like say stabilize. You know how cartoon dey fall for movie. You go first hang for air. Then now where on a day. Now you are on a huge downward spiral. You are spiraling to the depth of the sea. This one no be saying na for ground on a 1-4. Now the depth of the sea. You see all this thing? No. Okay? Wait, somebody wey dey insult Ebony son, make I block you first. Don't come here, I can't insult our people. You dey hear me? Leave all this noise. Nigerians, pay attention. Pay attention. This is what Ndi Igbo are suffering. We need to liberate Ndi Igbo. Any idiot will go make any kind of money, don't turn something else. So you see him bragging with it. Now, I'm not the one saying it. I'm not the one saying it. You heard him bragging. You heard him bragging. Say, like, this is their character. This is the culture in the Southeast from the mid-90s. And it has never changed. This fake democracy, when I'm there, at least some of them were kept in check. Some of them were kept in check. Now they've been set loose. This is what my people are suffering. This is what they are doing. Victor Zuma for down. I dey see Clark Ahazu. JP can't tell them one money. This is what people are seeing. Okay? Somebody say, please accept me. Okay, make I accept you now. Nothing our people live with. Intimidation. Intimidation. Charlie Troy, thanks for the 50 stars. Now intimidation, then they use the follow our people. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I appreciate this your life. In fact, I
Thank
am
you.
so happy. I used to watch you, I used to follow you, and why I say you should please accept me is this. We need to clear the air. Ezoku bezoku. And only ezoku adabuye.
Yeah.
I happen to be in that particular group where that voice note was made. And power, but I like where people are saying the truth. We were all cracking joke on that day. Everybody were cracking joke. My anger is, why did the person leak that voice in a group, in a private group where we are cracking joke, making fun? But son, I don't know him in personal, but in that group we are all in the same group. And son is the jolly good fellow. He can crack joke. He doesn't hold anything. But what is the interest of that particular person for releasing the new voice? That is my question. I keep on asking, what is the interest? So you making this life to clear this air. I said, okay, let me also speak my mind, because I keep on saying this. We are one. No matter what. I ain't not saying I should do why. Actually, we don't why. Actually, why. I make this why. Please, as God put it to your heart to do this life, and I can see that you have a lot of people doing this. Please, that voice is just a joke. Nobody meant anything on that voice. It's just a normal cruise inside private chat of WhatsApp, and somebody bring it out. So let the world understand that. You want to ego Facebook ego onye ọbụla ego Mark ka ekwe ya na-egbugo nwanyị ụfọdụ asị you close down the page, you close that page, that page you page any addition to your own pocket. The answer is no. Why are they doing it? So that is why I say let me just air my own so that people will understand the fact. So thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. I greatly appreciate your input. At least as someone inside that group when it happened, I didn't need to be in that group to know that that thing was a clear joke, because even J Park himself was laughing over it. Then when it seems they are trying to find something they will use to nail a boy son. He went back and brushed that thing up, brought it, and now Aku is just doing damage control to protect him. And then
No,
come and
I will not say that nobody knows the person because
no,
J-Pac
nobody
is
knows.
not the one.
Nobody knows, but it is the interest of J-Pac. It is for the interest of J-Pac. Because the closest person in that group to Zion is J-Pac. So he is the natural suspect. When we don't have all the facts in our hand, we follow where the evidence leads us. J-Food is a foodist, a very wayward human being at the very close end of his life. So whatever we bring food, I know what he told me on the phone, and I answered him. I remember I was coming back from Kaduna when he called me, of which he cannot link my calls with him. Why? I never said anything wrong, and I know how to follow fools like him. He's an Osui.
I don't want to call anybody name because I don't have any evidence.
Yes.
Because me, can say me and Kembo. If somebody say I am not the one, I believe you. Let God, who is Almighty, judge you. Whether because whoever that did that thing, he could. The thing may not be J-Pac. The thing may be somebody in that group that have the same interest.
It may not be him. It may not be him, but it may not be him. But Ako, this Akereza on that. This voice note, it's making it look as if, because why would he be pretending that he got it elsewhere and not from J-Pac? If you watch what he was saying, so J-Pac, you think I no go see him. Like, why do you need to infuse that into the conversation?
Yeah.
He's guilty conscious.
Yeah.
It's just like saying, have I met you before? Have I met you before?
Yeah.
Have we spoken before? And so this is what it looks like.
Logically, yes. Logically. You are correct. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. You see it? Thank you so much, my brother that sent the 99 stars. I was our brother was speaking then, and I couldn't interject. Okay, let me bring a bonson. Let me bring a bonson. Hello, my brother.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my brother. Welcome. I the man go up. Azụ ahụ ị na-ata ka ị ga-agba mbọ send elu m.
Azụ agụgokwu ahụ ama mgbe na village ka nna ata
Udo the one go ahead.
Okay. Ịmana mgbe that man na-abụ onye gwara that group. That man bụ one of our group member na that group. Ịmana ọ na-adị m onye kwu eziokwu okwu nke wee eziokwu. So only they comment here. That thing, that voice note about last year, November 21st, that group now. So open that voice note. The reason why Ndi will play that voice note for them to use it as a control damage. Because yes, so our man of God, any time from now, don't worry, they can have blackmail there.
Yes.
Now, the two people in that group, one with a fat and figures. The two people in that WhatsApp group want to be J-Pipe, J-Food, and with one man and Ndi Igbo, two of them no
Mahakwe.
Yes, thank you, Ndi Igbo. Two of them going on at that group apart from that. And the reason why this not J-Pipe will leak Ozugbo o leak that thing. J-Pac Russia send the number Zion. Some is my brother, make a call him. The voice note I get, some is my brother, make a call him, beg him. No one him okay. Boy, no, ya brother. The voice note I there. If you like, I will forward and play the voice note to hear. Some of Russia, what will you be giving me number Zion for me to go and call him? He said, yeah, baby, and I never mentioned his name. And the Ebukobi. My son is Ebukobi. My son here is Ebukobi. The virgin boy. My son here. I have Ebukobi. The problem worker here. Ebukobi, the virgin boy. This is my son here, Ebukobi, the virgin boy. On a virgin now. It's my son not to take you. So I was referring to my son. Anything they bring
He's a
my son, let me
virgin
cry.
baby. He's a virgin baby.
So my brother, the kids. So I want to thank you very much for everything. Thank you. And that they just want to
I
close my
appreciate it.
mouth. They cannot close my mouth with intimidation. If you like, take 200 lawyers sue me. I will stand on whatever I stand. I know fit. If
Yeah.
you like bribe me, I can never close my mouth.
Dalu Monday.
Yeah, man, I should not lie against
Before
God.
you go, let us make our boo boo picking laugh. We need to do now. Now, thank you, my son, for that clarification.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Dalu
You're welcome.
Monday.
All right.
Mhm.
Thank you.
You see it? Are you seeing it? A simple issue, just joke. And Ebony Son brought something very important into this issue. Remember, Bukobi was telling them, oh, very soon you will hear that people have been saying, I did this, I did this. Yeah, 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 yeah. At the end of the day, they went and brought this one. Now, if it was prophecy, let me block one also. If it was prophecy, how come they used the one that happened before then? Which means this thing must have been planned ahead of time. This thing must have been planned ahead of time. Then they will be looking for talks. They will J-Pipe, when he called me that day and said, oh, that say him as in there like this now, say the kind hunger we wire up. Even these people where they in page, say see this where they my page, make I leave them all. Say then they go use even fake account. They write against me. They write something against me. Say waiting they do now, waiting they bring money. Oh, this and that. Then come they infuse Stella. Thank you so much for the understand. Come they infuse Zion into them now. Make he see whether I go tell him so okay. Tell Zion people make they settle me and say see this one. Told him, oh boy, me I no get problem. Oh. Okay, I wait. Let me block one also. I tell her say I no get problem. Oh. Me money no be my problem. If money be my problem, I get many things what I go do to get money. But at this age, at this stage of my life, no be everything I go put my hand into. I've seen life. I've lived life. In fact, my first helicopter ride was before I even turned 20. When I dey go escort babes for my oga, that time Bonny Island na boat, then they use go am or helicopter. I go escort babes, go meet them where dem dey. Like waiting all this vain life wey una dey live, we don see am tey. Go ask them for Oyinbo. E get one senior man wey give me Mercedes 230 that time, abi 200 that time, wey dem dey sell that motor to Kumbo either 220,000 or 180 sometimes, depending on who you get. The one where they come from Cotonou. That time they bring car from Cotonou. Well, we leave her for me that time. For Yingo, Lauren, Maduka, thanks for the 50 stars. That time, you know how old I did that time? I'm talking about 23 years ago. 23 years ago. Where will they go? If you see the kind babes where they give me that time, yeah? Then go babe where the biggest they not be all this half current, all this half current where they now. At that time, if you see babe well now you go call them auntie. Thank you, Alex. Babe where normally I go call them auntie, they go call they go they tell me say, okay, help yourself. Ha, trust me. Man don't see things. By the time you play the game well, she go even dey tell you say, so this one say they don't get powers. Then if na Igbo girl, she go dey call you Agwike. They no go know why they call you Agwike. Me, iron beast. 2 hours you still the cook. Okwa, okwa, iron beans. We like waiting. That's why they tell you J pipe dey inside village. They thief people farm. It's still dey okwa. They thief people farm. Why? It inside the area. They go like all these things. Well, now waiting. We don't pass that level. We don't pass that level. When men they do things. Yeah. Which they in live Okada business. That one of late now. Of late. When men they run things. Who be J food? Ibrahim Dan Alami say they fast to come out for here if he dey fast. Back in the day. Back in the day. When men they run things and somebody go just come. Hello, wonder mother. Welcome, my brother.
I know we waste much time. You see, people
Okay.
need to understand that. Person will get power to command marine water from marine spirit. Eh? You see these people, they go continue to expose themselves. And you know what they do them, you see? They are myopism and bingoism combined. It's a dangerous hybrid. Let them pay attention on social media. It's not just Nigeria. All these fake pastors now, no one is sparing them inside and outside Nigeria and elsewhere. You know. Now the point is this: there's such of damage control. Like I said to them, not everything they should do damage control. Because you just visualize, you know, and you know, because most of these guys they can't even think for themselves. At the end of the day, this is someone who claims of Otarapanta or Otarapanta. And they can tell you, he can prophesy that this person is from marine spirit. He's level 6. It's just like when I was growing up. That was many years ago. You know, this guy, they said, Okoti power 666. You know, these were nothing but huge distraction. You know, all those years, if our parents had channeled us, the only thing I like, I will say thank you to my dad, even to tomorrow. He never introduced me to church. My mama carried me to but my father is a regular guy. But my father, I don't be church person. So all this church program, can't come out. You understand? But what am I saying is now? You know, Ebukobi, let the people of Zion come to a conversation. Let us debate. Let us bring facts, not even debate. Question them, the padlock miracle. Now, my brother, you see, there's nothing, he cannot deny this. There are 2 separate videos that nailed him. Let me put that of the church service aside. His open heaven. Was he not bragging about that same padlock and that same native doctor? Now, my people, their brain, these people, they are not just only intellectually disabled. They have refused to even think for themselves. Like we always say, begin waiting for your papa na snail, waiting for your mama na snail, waiting in who snail.
Snake.
Understand? And that is why when they are saying all this Parara thing, it's nothing but audio lawsuit. I even pray Parara will sue them. At least,
yes.
You know, the 2 major videos that the court will look at. It's not about winning the case. It's about making them understand that this generation is not the generation of 1980. It hosts that they got out with all those, but there were no social media. Something they failed to understand today. Social media is a game changer. You know, I do not attend their children, their Zion and whatever. Whatever they do, let them not bring it on this space. The minute they bring it, critical minds will get involved. You know, and they fail to understand, you know, it's not like those days they control the cameraman, they control everything, they put this on NTA and blah, blah, blah. Today, everyone can sit virtually and have that conversation. You know, let these people of Zion go and watch that video. If they want to excuse it, go for his Sunday service. Open heaven, what was he bragging about? That the padlock was rusty. Nothing could open it. The key was broken. The minute he is something spiritual. And there are people here who, you know, his members whose life are lost, not my life. You know, and these are people that are confusing people. Yes, there might be difficulties around the areas, but now they want to make them believe everything is spiritual. Even those who are using their capital to go do better in Nigeria. You understand? Even those who don't carry the capital, go Lord Juman also the business crumble. Eh? My brother, enough of all this deceit. Enough of all this deceit. You see, these are crazy iron. Let him stop sending voice notes. I think they have Governor Soku, they have JPAC. And another thing they forget, JPAC and Governor Soku did that same man, Jonathan interview. Jonathan was saying somebody that connected him is from this ministry, from Zion. This guy, Governor Soku started laughing. That laughing, he was trying to diffuse, or confuse the man, but the man was standing his ground. What he said in Igbo language, Ijele the Tayo Kobe, he should stop. He's not the first, but one thing he needs to realize now, the more he throws this thing out on public space, the more people will criticize him. And let me say this: this is the blackmail of you are trying to push him down. Nobody's buying it. Am I trying to push Kobe down? Am I the next on the head to inherit Zion? You see, where people they can't think. Now, if you say I'm trying to push Ijele down, you're making a point because I have access to Ijele's page. So you can say this is my interest. Now, I'm not a member of your Zion. I'm not the next to become your GO. Ebukobi and myself are not the same lineage. So what is my interest? My own is Ebukobi, whatever junk, whatever garbage you put out here, it will be critically analyzed to the minute detail, and we are not buying it. We are not buying it. Let them stop this damage control. They should accept it and they should just rebrand their arranging. They should rebrand it. As simple as ABC. Now let some overzealous members go on social media. Are they not seeing thousands of criticisms of all this God of men, stupid bandit with the fake miracles all over the place? Is it only because do they think do they think now, even look how stupid he is. He went and started mentioning other Yoruba pastors that nobody's pulling them down. No. The same pastor Nekwadebo he called was heavily criticized and analyzed on social media when he said he went to Colorado.
Stella and Nicola Bokuti started with Oyede and Adeboye.
They need to wake up. Unfortunately, they just want to use a boy son as their guinea pig. But it's not going to work. It's not going to work. Let them focus on discussing their padlock miracle. That should be their focus. If they think they have anything against anybody, let them come and let's have that discussion. And I'll ask them open heaven. Now that Jonathan has come out to say that, he does this thing for a living. So can they see that we cannot even see tomorrow? My brother, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Wondermot. I appreciate. It's our brother Henry Chimezie. Whatever the topic is, always expect him to bring his wealth of intelligence into it. Like he just said now, even if it's someone with 2,000 followers, and you people want to intimidate the person, it's a lie. We will come there. You will see us. Because injustice to one is injustice to all. If they start with that person with 2,000 followers, tomorrow you with 50,000 go there. Okay? You with somebody, I hate when we are talking about awakening and we are talking about Daddy Freeze. Daddy Freeze is a businessman. He can never open his mouth and tell the bitter truth. You can't hear this raw truth on Daddy Freeze. He doesn't want to offend some people. Okay? He knows the people. That's why I say, the children of Yahushua. Forget it. Yahushua married Israel. Okay? Yahushua Eastern Europe. Now there. All those ones from. All right? No. Say the bitter truth. This is a shaft. Okay? Let me tell you, you don't need the Bible to be a good person. In closing, but now let's go into some esoteric teachings before I close. Listen, if I tell you there is no physical place called hellfire, believe me. If I tell you there's a physical place called heaven, believe me. And some people will tell you, please, do you know this is why people are not doing evil? No. The same people that told you there is heaven and hellfire also told you you can buy people and go ask for forgiveness to God and it will be done. That is not true. You need righteousness in its purest form. Righteousness is not that you will not, like those things they are telling you is a sin. Let me tell you, sex is not a sin. Hello? Sex is not a sin. Are you understanding me? If you, unless you are governor or Omazi, Governor Wanga, who went and raped a child, of which in the days of our ancestors, they would have buried him alive. Except you went and raped someone. Sex becomes a sin when you entice someone to do it in order to blackmail them. It has become a sin. But two adults discussing and telling each other, let's go have good time. You went and have a good time. You did not sin against anybody. And if you are doing good because you don't want to go to hellfire, you are not a good person. I am not carrying guns, threatening people like all these ones in the southeast that they will burn their house if they didn't do this thing, if they didn't do this one, that they will buy you, they will burn. It is not because I don't want to commit sin. It's because I know it is against the law of nature. It is against the law of man and God. And by God, I mean our collective consciousness. And the power which we haven't explained. There is a reason scientists are still investigating about the origin of the world, because most of them that claim to know nothing, and those who do are never going to say anything about life. Let me tell you, when you want to experience peace, try not to harm someone on purpose. And when you mistakenly harm someone, don't go and be praying in your home when you can actually meet that person. For instance, when Malu people were building things in Enugu under the administration of Ili Ji Yam, Senator Chimaro Kenaman, I know some of the guys. In fact, in the back of my place, now they hide that thing where they go thief for that. They are, in fact, not even thief, because the security where they there, their hand down, now them bring a come out, those people carry and go seller. And me, I collect share. The very first day I spoke with this one, Nicola, no, now the first time when they listen to me with your head. Now first time when you open your head, they listen to me. The very first time I spoke with Chimaro Kenaman on the phone, I expressly apologized to him, asked him if you are speaking with him. I apologized to him. I said, sir, this is what happened then. I can't be speaking to you in good conscience, pretending to love you when I don't expose this to you. Ask him. He wouldn't do me anything. He didn't know it happened, but I just felt the need to say, so if I'm discussing with you tomorrow, I will know that my conscience is clear. And with what he answered me, I don't bear any guilt over that thing again. I don't bear any guilt because the person I offended has accepted the apology and moved on. This is the only way you are going to live a righteous life. Not all these ones that I'll be telling you. And some of you, you say, oh, are you saying that hellfire is not real? But I've seen it in my dream. No, you saw what you've been programmed to see. The day you stop believing that thing, you will not be having fear about the end of the world. There is no Christian who hasn't woke up one day. You know, there is a type of sleep. You will wake up, it's like there will be something like a glitch in the matrix. You go there like this, everything go to confuse you. You go to ask yourself, the world don't spoil. Okay? You go ask, Jesus will pick or dago, whether the world don't spoil. Has it happened to you or not? And this is what we mean. Because you have been programmed to think that way. But the moment you leave all those things, you begin to experience peace. Go and check the level of anxiety. And how do you measure anxiety in the society? Mind you, over 80% of people that have anxiety are not on these psychopathic drugs they call antidepressant. Imagine an antidepressant, each side effect is it could lead to suicide thoughts. What does that tell you? You can rid yourself of those, but to check the level of anxiety in the society, check how many BP medicines they are selling and what was the percentage of people on that medication before these churches of hellfire and the Jayam came out, and what is it now? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? So if you want peace, you need to learn to live. Okay, let me block one also. If you want peace, you need to learn to live. Don't just exist, and don't exist in another person's matrix. Don't exist in a fake reality, augmented reality. You exist in truth and honesty, which is you begin to question every damn thing you were given. Because at the end of the day, that place you are running for solution may actually be the source of your problem. How can somebody be telling you that, oh, when you have sex with someone, that you have been the person will initiate you into their court? Come and initiate me. Just make the girl fine. No, make the girl fine. Come and initiate me. I want to be initiated. Some like people will be telling you fictional stories, things you get from storybooks, things you get from storybooks. Oh, yeah, your life, no, they work. You will see some girls blaming their boyfriends for their downfall. You see some boys blaming an innocent girl. Eh? Blaming an innocent girl. Saying, oh, now since where I don't sleep with this girl, now in my business. Go and check what you are spending your money on. Are you eating more than what is coming in? Of course, you will fail. Don't go and say, oh, now because of this girl, where I get the this and that. You are just being stupid. Are you understanding me now? This is how we need. When you know all these things, it will crystallize before you that Ebukobi is a criminal. Any God told me to tell you, any I heard from God, any God messaged me is a pure fictional figment of someone's imagination. And they expect you to believe it. The moment you believe it, now you will say, oh, I didn't know I had these enemies before. Now this man tell me. Then where do you think you will go to for solution for that enmity? It's the same guy. Because he has manufactured an enemy, an image that doesn't exist in your head. He's a boogeyman. Who would you call to fight the boogeyman? It's the same person that told you that it's a boogeyman there. And you understanding me? So my people, thank you so much for being a part of the program. Like I said, I think between 10:30 and 11, I will interview someone from the Living Christ Mission of that year Hezekiah. They say you know come church on Sunday. May they check whether I still there in Nigeria, because I don't hear KP say he get partial stroke. Person where they sleep with Angel Michael on bed. You know, now why we are bringing all these things is to show you the manifestation of the light of truth. The light is shining. The light is shining. And there is absolutely nothing anyone will do to stop it. Like I said the other time, the sun is a flaming giant ball of gas. There is nothing you have that will stop it from shining. Never. And as it shines, it makes the plant grow. You understand? It takes the water up into the atmosphere. Rainy season when they come, if they stratosphere now, summer will go come Europe, if they stratosphere, it go they come like nothing stops it. It's like time is unstoppable when it's happening. Just make sure you are conscious enough to understand what's happening around and take your win where you see them. Okay? Take your win where you see them. That's why we keep celebrating that people from Zion are exposing the money they are paying in their WhatsApp groups. That's why we are happy that many people that used to see Daddy Hezekiah, yes, Daddy, oh Daddy, Papa, are seeing him for who he truly is. This is why we are here, to show you people. It's not just talk about it. When it happens, we come and tell you it don't happen. My people, thank you so much for being a part of the program. Make sure to like and follow the page Undiluted Truth, which is why we are hosting our live videos for now. All the other pages are still active. We'll be firing from all on all cylinders. We will keep telling the truth. We will not be afraid of anybody. If you are a truth sayer, identify with other truth sayers. So tomorrow, if anything happens, you see people that will stand for you. It will not cost you money. Okay? It will not cost you money. We have never collected money to defend anyone, because a pastor, don't be afraid. Just say what you are sure of. Say what you are sure about. Say what you can prove. Even if you are sleeping, they will call you. You will retell the story. If you go and defame someone without evidence, now you go suffer. Me, I know the put my mouth, because I don't get into any fight to lose. Okay? I don't get into any fight to lose. I have not lost one. I'm not going to lose, because I'm trying to make you fair. Don't go and be a clout chaser. So when the consequences will come now, you don't shout, oh, these people, they just abandoned you. It's not going to happen. We are not going to defend the indefensible. But once you are standing on the truth, you are bearing the light of truth, expect us to use every power available to us to save you and make sure truth is established. I love you all. Take care of yourself and stay blessed.